Need to open a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Reader. In this guide, I'll show you several easy ways to open PDF documents, make Acrobat your default PDF viewer, and fix a few common issues if your files won't open. Let's get started. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat Reader from your desktop, Start menu, or taskbar. Once the application loads, you'll be on the home screen where you can access your recent files or open a new document. Click the Open File button on the home screen. Browse to the folder where your PDF is saved, select the file, and then choose Open. Your document should appear immediately inside Adobe Acrobat Reader. Another quick method is to open the PDF directly from File Explorer. If Adobe Acrobat Reader is already your default PDF viewer, simply double-click the PDF file and it will open automatically. If your PDF opens in another application, right-click the file, choose Open With, then select Adobe Acrobat Reader. So to make this permanent, enable the option to always use this app for PDF files before clicking OK. Once your document is open, use the scroll wheel to move through the pages. You can zoom in for easier reading, switch to page thumbnails, or, use the search feature to quickly find specific words or phrases. If your PDF doesn't open, make sure the file isn't damaged and that you're using the latest version of Adobe Acrobat Reader. Restarting the application or reopening the file can also solve many common problems. And that's all you need to know about opening PDF files with Adobe Acrobat Reader. Hopefully you're ready to view your documents without any trouble. If this tutorial helped, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more easy software guides, and thanks for watching.